This feels good. It's been a minute, and so this feels a little strange for me, but I'm happy that you're here and I'm happy that you're watching. Hey, today's video, I'm gonna be talking about new music coming up later this year. I'm gonna be talking about an upcoming TV series, a traveling series that my family and I created, and I'm gonna be going through my phone and just seeing some highlights of this year because I haven't talked to you at all this year. You'll notice a rebrand on our channel. So now it's just Tompkins TV. It's music, it's stories, it's just videos and creations of our life. And it's not just me, it's my entire family. So I invite you in to come and join us. First things first, let's talk about the music. I'm gonna be launching some new music later this year. And to be precise, I'm so excited. This has been some really fun music that I've been working on, and so I'm happy to be able to share it with you guys. Before that, we traveled so much this year. My family and I, we got this Sprinter van that we fitted out. We traveled around the US and we shot a little series surrounding this whole kind of crazy adventure, doing it with kids in a van, and it was wild. It was so hard, and I think it turned out to be a really kind of fun series that I really want to invite you guys in. September 29th, I want to invite you in. Here's a little sneak peek.
I'm exhausted!
Coming up on this season of Traveling Table.
This is at the top of my bucket list, so.
Our phones are not working.
So we had no idea where we were gonna go or where we were gonna sleep tonight.
I think there's an issue with our hose. Every time I turn this on.
This grandiose display of all these donuts.
Oh, it's going! She's a woman!
I found this little cafe.
Oh my goodness!
You're the sweetest.
I need a shower and a toilet that flushes.
Our children are not in great spirits.
Should we fly home? I was just feeling like we made a big mistake.
We've been taking this time, this break, devoting to developing just where we want to go, what we want to do, and what we want to see. And, you know, part of that is the content we're making, but a lot of that is kind of like the dreams that we've always wanted to see. And it's amazing to see how things are developing. Dreams that we've had for years are coming to fruition, and I want to invite you all into this. So, September 29th, Traveling Table is coming out weekly, every Wednesday. I want to invite you in. I hope to see you there. Hey, I want to know if you guys are happy to see the Tompkins family back. Leave us a comment in the section below. The Tompkins family is ready. We're going for this. We're so excited, and we're happy to be making videos again. You know, it's been a weird time of not creating, but I think that it's been so helpful for us in figuring out what we want to see happen and what we want to even create, and so we're back. Come on in. I'm just so excited to be doing it with my favorite person in the entire world, Kayla Tompkins. Come on in, Kayla Tompkins. Come on down. You're the next contestant on whatever this is.
It's me.
It's you. You are out of the frame. I want to tilt the camera up. 1 second. Let me just tilt. Bend down. Beep.
I'm taller than you.
Your torso is taller than me.
I'll just bend down. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. This is us. This is the Tompkins family. We're happy that you're here. I keep saying that, but I'm happy that we're creating again because it's felt very, very weird to not be.
Yeah, we've been creating off camera, and now we want to show you all the things that we have been dreaming up, and we're excited about all the things.
Very excited. So September 29th, make sure you tune in. Traveling Table. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be crazy.
Crazy.
It was the hardest thing we ever did.
With 2 kids in a van.
Here's a few pictures from my camera roll just to update you what we did in this last year. Bye.
We have a puppy, a new one. Name is Major.
Major and Moo.